What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Spoovy, and today's video, I just felt like giving you guys something hilarious, but multiple things in one video. And I had to get somebody that was ballsy enough to do this with me. So I got my boy Devin.
Hey, shout out Team Spoov, you know what I'm saying?
You guys might notice him from something or from somewhere. Here's where you might notice him from.
Finish him!
So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go to the mall, go to Walmart, just mess around and just mess around with people. So let's get it.
Like shit.
I'm about to get this boy right here. Wait, there's a worker. Race car, dude. I just sprayed it.
Oh yeah, they definitely smell it.
I don't know. I think they smell it. I think they smell it.
Oh, they're laughing. Damn, they really think the niggas stink.
Damn, what the fuck?
Oh snap.
They sprayed that shit on them.
Alright, Scout, we're going over here. Scout, we're going over here.
get this dude in a red shirt. Got her. I'm about to get her again. So for the massages,
No foot massage.
like it's just back and shoulder.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah, long. How long would you like?
No, I was just like, cause my mom, like, I'm trying to do something nice for my mom, you know.
Oh, for your mom?
Yeah, so I'm trying like look at hours and prices and stuff.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah, foot massage is the price.
how much, like, so say if I wanted to let her do it, like, is it only go up to 60 minutes, only 60 minutes, or you can just do more than 60?
No, it's 20 minutes for $20. Our store is by this penny. Our store for foot massage, for body massage. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give my mom a call real quick, cause I'm gonna surprise her. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss out on a banger. Also, road to 100K, so please keep sharing the videos and keep subscribing if you haven't. At 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a huge giveaway. We are at, I think, 16,000. We just hit 16,000, so keep it going. Giveaway at 50,000. But anyway, man, y'all know the deal. Until the next video, Spoovy's out. Peace.